Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
I'm doing biryani.
Okay. So what do we need to cook biryani?
Rice,
Okay.
chili,
Okay.
tomato.
Tomato. What is that?
Huh?
That golden color. Onion.
Onion, yeah.
And what is this?
This what?
Masala?
Yeah, masala.
Okay. So shall we start cooking?
Yes.
Okay. Then add tomato.
Where is someone to cook? Oh, there.
Add tomato. Add rice. Then
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm doing it.
talk little loudly. Nobody is hearing you.
I got it in rice.
Yeah, rice. Okay, what is that? Chili.
Chili,
Okay. Add tomato.
tomato.
Okay.
Oh no, it's going with tomato.
Okay. And add some onion.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Add some masala. Okay, now start stirring. Start stirring. Stir it. You say I'm stirring it.
I'm stirring.
Stirring. Okay. Wow, that smells delicious. Did you add salt?
Yes.
When did you add salt?
No, there is not salt.
No salt? It's not required?
I
Okay.
give. There is a salt.
Yeah. Add some salt.
Then
Very nice. Okay.
eat.
Okay, can you serve it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, let me eat. Let me try. Wow, that's so yummy. Thank you, chef.
Goodbye.
Okay. Can you taste it? Can you taste your own biryani?
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.